In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel into PowerPoint. We'll walk through 3 practical methods so you can choose the one that fits your presentation best, whether you want a quick table, a full workbook, or a live link back to your source file. Let's start with an embedded table. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the Excel data to appear. Head to the Insert tab, choose Table, and then select Excel Spreadsheet. A mini Excel grid drops right onto your slide. This is handy for entering or pasting data directly while staying in PowerPoint. Because it's embedded, it becomes part of the presentation file and won't change if the original Excel file changes. You can click into the grid to type or format, and click outside the grid to return to normal slide editing. If you need to make more changes later, just double-click the table to re-enter the Excel editing mode. Keep the data focused, clear headings, and fewer columns make it easier for your audience to read. Now, if you want to include an existing workbook as an object, use the second method. Go to the Insert tab, click Object, choose Create from File, and select Browse. Pick your Excel file from your computer and hit OK. If you prefer a cleaner slide, enable Display as icon on the right side, and you can change the icon if you'd like before clicking OK. The workbook is now embedded on your slide. Double-clicking it opens the file from within PowerPoint. This is great when you want the whole workbook available without switching apps during a presentation. Keep in mind, because it's embedded, your PowerPoint file size will grow. Finally, if you want your slide to reflect changes made to the original Excel file, link it. Again, go to Insert, Object, Create from File, click Browse, choose your Excel file, and hit OK. Then select Link and click OK. Double-clicking the object opens the linked file, and updates in the source Excel will flow into your presentation. This keeps your deck smaller and always up to date. Just make sure the source file stays in the same location. If it's moved or renamed, the link will break and you'll need to relink it. To recap, use the embedded table for quick, editable data on the slide, embed the file as an object when you want the full workbook included, and link it when you need automatic updates. And that's it. This is how to insert Excel into PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.